Hello, you're welcome to this channel. Once again, I'm going to show you another amazing website where you can earn some cash. So this website has paid over $96 million to members, and each and every second someone is cashing out some money. So as you can see here, these are monies that are being paid to people. That is why it is changing each and every second. Each and every second someone is earning $1. So that is what this website is about. So if you stay to the end, I will show you a trick that you can use to earn more from this website. So let's just take a look at this website. So you can see this website is trusted by very reputable and international brands. Yahoo, CNN, the Wall Street Journal, etc. They all trust this website. They are some of the partners. So you earn points, you can choose your rewards and then redeem your money. So this is the website. So I'll be showing you everything you need. And when you earn up to 100 points, you can collect your money. You can redeem it as cash through PayPal. So I'll be taking you through everything that you need to know and how you can join. So you can just sign up by clicking on this button, and then it will take you there. So you download apps, watch videos, then carry out some surveys, then you can collect your points, play games, etc. And that is it. Just do your normal browsing on the internet and then you are paid. So let's look at let's get into the members area and see what is happening. So these are some of the popular partners they have. So what can you do here? Let's look here, top members. Each and every hour they update the members who are making some good money, who have just made some points. So you one thing I like about this website is that you can actually set your goal, your daily goal, with regards to how much you want to earn. So let's look here. How much can I earn? Daily goal, earn 25 points in one day. That's goal 1. You can set another goal to earn 300 points in one day. So it is up to you to actually set your goal. So you see, you can determine how many points you want to earn in a day. You can also play games. Unfortunately, currently there are no games for me here. You can play games and you are being paid in points. Then we also have surveys. So these are some surveys that you can take to earn some points. These are paid surveys from other partners. With the surveys, you see, this one is just 10 minutes and you earn 600 points. That's roughly about $3. This is also 15 minutes and you can earn 250 points. So you see why people are cashing out dollars each and every second. Now they also have offers that you can complete and earn some cash. See, these are some of the offers that are available for you. I am not in the United States, but what happens is if you happen to find yourself in United States or Canada, you will have more points. The available offers to you also depend on your geographical location. So these are some points, offers that you can complete to earn some. So you can also watch videos. This video is just 22 points. And download apps. These are some applications that you can download. And one other thing I like is that, you see, it has a referral program. You can earn more by referring your friends, family and friends, social media friends. So just copy your link, and then you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, email, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. And once somebody joins, you are paid. So you see, this is what you will be paid. So it's up to you to determine how much you want to make. So basically, that is it about this website. So this is what I have earned now, 75 points. I think it's a very amazing website. You can do a lot from this website. There is a lot you can do from this website. So you see, you can complete your profile. I still have a few things to do, though I have cashed something. So you can do a few your profile, and then earn some revenue. So guys, that is the website Irazoo. Irazoo spelled I-R-A-Z-O-O. So I'll leave the link below. Just click on it and you can sign up. Please make sure you sign up to this channel to support us, and we will definitely bring you some quality videos on how you can make some money online through very interesting ways. So guys, once again, don't forget to to hit the subscription button and hit the notification button as well. Thank you. I'm out.